Hey beauties, it's Daisy and I'm back with another video. Today's hair is from Unice Hair and it's a T-part wig. I'm going to show you how to get this look. So here we have the T-part wig. I customized it and I bleached the knots, as you can see here. I want to show you guys this parting space. So it's super teeny, as you can see right here. And here is the lace right here. I already customized it off camera because it was way easier to do it that way. If you guys want to see more detail on how I do that, then just let me know in the comment section below. And I'm thinking about doing a glueless install because I think it will look super cute if I like put it behind my ears and stuff. See how this works. We'll try something a little bit different. And I want to show you guys these curls before I actually use my curling irons. They're so pretty. It gives you like this actual body weight in your hair. I'll show you the back as well. So first off, I'm gonna use Got2b Glued in the black bottle. This is the best thing to use if you're trying to get your baby hairs really flat and it doesn't have that white contrast, so perfect. So you wanna measure your wig and make sure it's a little bit higher than 3 fingers. So there's good, it doesn't look too close to my forehead, but I wanna shrink my head a little bit. So I think this is good. I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue here. And that's why I always do my makeup last, because I don't want to mess it up. You know, doing my baby hairs or like having to fix something and not being able to, because I don't wanna mess up my makeup. This is what I consider glueless because I'm not gluing down the lace, I'm gluing down the baby hairs. But you know, to each his own. This is just a simpler and quicker way to do your baby hairs. So now that they're done, I'm gonna pluck them a little bit after, but I just want them to stay in place. I'm gonna use a little bit of Got2b Glued. Because I never want to be in a situation where my wig, my wig just comes right off. That has to be super embarrassing. Luckily, it never happened to me, thank God. So I'm gonna lay these baby hairs down while I curl this hair, and that's gonna help get it super flat as well. I feel like this looks like an old school basketball, what was it, sweatband back in the day? That's what I'm looking like right now, that's funny. I'm just gonna curl this hair. The curls, like I said, are already bomb, but I need a little bit more volume, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. So we're gonna use some frizz busters, and we're gonna take like some bigger sections. I'm trying to get like some big beachy curls. That's the look I'm going for. Here's the final look, and I love how these curls came out. Look super cute and sleek. You wouldn't even know this is a glueless install. Look at these baby hairs, sis. Get into it. So pretty. The hair was way thinner before I curled the hair, so it gave a nice body, volume, all of that. Let me show you guys the back. And it's so flowy. Like, huh? This looks exactly like a lace frontal wig or even my hair. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new or just enjoyed watching it. So if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Show your girl some support and hit that subscribe button below if you're not already subscribed. Until my next video, bye.